Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sammi Says. I'm student meteorologist Sam Mrozinski. This week's episode is about climate change. We were recently visited by Dr. Michael E. Mann, a professor at Penn State University, to talk to us about his new book, The Madhouse Effect.
Dr. Mann is a distinguished professor of atmospheric science at Penn State University. He's famous for his creation of the hockey stick plot. If you've never heard of the hockey stick plot, here it is.
This graph shows the mean annual temperatures in the northern hemisphere from the last 1,000 years. It started with a gentle downward trend and then spiked in 1900, giving it the shape of a hockey stick.
Dr. Mann travels across the country to help educate the public on this issue. The idea of climate change goes back to the early 1900s, when Guy Stewart Callendar, a steam engineer and inventor, theorized that higher carbon dioxide concentrations were linked to global temperature. This is called the Callendar effect. I'm sure you're asking yourself, why does this matter? Well, warmer global temperatures can cause a lot of problems. One major problem is melting sea ice. Now, when you think of the poles, I'm sure you think it's really cold all the time. You're not wrong about that. However, even though it still seems cold, the temperature in the Arctic is increasing twice as fast as the rest of the planet. If the ice melts, the ocean level will rise, threatening coastal and island communities. It also affects the life on the poles. This warming in the Arctic is a huge problem, because if we don't have ice at the poles, the Earth can warm up even faster. Ice can very efficiently reflect the sun's solar radiation because it appears white. This is called albedo. Ice has a high albedo, while oceans appear black, so it absorbs heat, giving it a low albedo. With less and less ice, more solar radiation is absorbed, causing a warmer climate. So, why did temperatures spike in the 1900s? The first gasoline-powered automobiles were designed in 1893, and in 1901, more and more designs were released and were affordable for the middle-class Americans. It escalated to the life we live today, with every average American owning a car.
About 19 pounds of carbon dioxide are emitted from just 1 gallon of gasoline. Now multiply that by 300 million, and that only covers the US.
The Industrial Revolution also contributed, adding the pollutants emitted from factories, big trucks, and airplanes. Releasing large volumes of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere every day is one major reason why our planet is warming. The strides we made in history are catching up with us today, and negatively affecting the entire planet. These are just a few reasons behind our changing climate. If you want to learn more about climate change, NASA's climate website is an excellent source of information. Dr. Michael Mann is also a good source. He has written 2 other books in addition to The Madhouse Effect, all which discuss climate change.
Thanks for watching. For more weather content, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.